I am First Lieutenant Dakota Woodgie. I am the Weapons Company Executive Officer for 3rd Battalion, 6th Marines, and here in Norway I'm serving as the officer in charge of the cave draw in support of 3/6's theater security cooperation here. So today we were up at Bune and pulling a bunch of our trucks out of this cave site. A bunch of 7 tons and some Humvees that we're going to be using later for some of our exercises with the Norwegians. So we came up here to this cave site today. Working with the Norwegians, we were able to pull these trucks out, conduct some joint inspections of them, and then sign them over to us and get them loaded up onto some tractor trailers and brought down to the rest of our equipment down at Varnes. So tomorrow we'll be going down to Frigard. The Marines from 2nd AAV Battalion have already been down there working on some of the inspections for the tracks that we have down there. So we'll finish drawing those tomorrow, get those all staged, as well as the rest of the cold weather gear that we have split up between Frigard and Tromsdal, which we'll be at on Wednesday. Wrap everything up on Thursday, and then go through the process of moving all that equipment to the port to be shipped up to Södermalm via ferry here on Friday.
My name is Captain Årbu. I'm the supply officer for the Norwegian part of the MacPipen program. The MacPipen program is important for Norwegian security and defense. To work with the US Marines is instructive. You have to adapt their way of thinking and the way to perform operations.
Norway has been and will continue to be one of our important allies in the region, mostly because we can't tackle all our global threats and competitors alone. We need to maintain partnerships and working relationships with our allies and our partners. A lot of Marines come from all over the United States, so it's kind of funny to see some of these guys that haven't had to deal with cold weather or like a mountainous environment see the landscape, and we're pretty excited to start training in it.